In this quick video, I want to show you how to factory reset any inverter gateway monitoring system. And it doesn't matter what brand that you have. Now this particular one is a Xantrax, but you might have an OutBack, you might have a Magnum, you might have a Victron. There's multiple different brands and they pretty much all reset the same way to make it like fresh out of the box. So the first thing you could do is just simply unplug it from the wall. And so I'd unplug it, or you can just unplug it from the wall. And then I'd highly recommend, if you do that, if it's connected to a router, go ahead and unplug the router from the wall as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave the inverter unplugged for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to plug everything back in. And that does a soft reset. Now, there are some inverters that actually have a reset button on the back. And then what you would do is you would make sure that it's powered on. Now this particular one is a Schneider Xantrax, but this one does not have the reset button. So what you're going to do, it could be either a button that you push. What you want to do is you're going to hold down for 15 seconds, or it can be, or there could be like a little hole that'll say reset. And the only thing you need to do is get like a paper clip or a safety pin or precision screwdriver, and you want to hold down the screwdriver or the paper clip in that hole for 15 seconds. And then the light should change, and that will do a factory reset on it. Or you can, with most of them, like the Schneider, you can actually go into the web browser, into the web protocol, and what you're going to do is go to communication, and then from communication, what you're going to do is go to system settings, and then from there you'll see a thing in the web portal where you can actually do a factory reset. So it's fairly simple to do. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know in the comment section, very important, what brand do you have? Do you have an OutBack? Do you have a Victor? Do you have a Schneider like this one? What do you have? All right, thanks for watching.